welcome once again to another reaction vlog.
Yep.
Today we're going to hear another song.
Yeah, from Korea. And
Yeah.
the artists are ONEW or ONEW and ROSÉ, I guess. And the song they were gonna do is Lucky from Jason Mraz.
Yes, a beautiful song to cover as a duet. So it's been recommended, guys. So if we just respond now, but it's on our list. So let's give it a go.
Here we go.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. Keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Wow.
Wow.
She is one of the singer from the group Blackpink.
Ah, okay.
I believe, yeah. We
think she's
acted
one of
Blackpink 2 times already, but the third one was Luck, so we stopped for a bit. So yeah.
Yeah, she's on her own, singing together now with him, and it's
Not to get.
a duet.
Yeah, just a duet, but they are still exist, the Blackpink.
Yeah, that I know that.
Oh, okay.
But now she's doing this, and I'm really impressed by both of their voices. So.
Beautiful voice,
Yeah,
and
cool.
you know, they are
Beautiful
very
voice.
famous.
Yeah,
Is it correct? Yeah, she's from Blackpink, yeah.
I think it is. Yeah, I think you're right. But you guys will
Let
let
us
us know
know,
for sure.
because
So.
you've mentioned it earlier to me. So, all right, okay, let's carry on. But she looks really is.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home
I really love this
again.
kind of setup.
They don't know how long it takes waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I'll promise you I will. Lucky I'm in love with my
It's really, really, really beautiful. I love Rosé, how she articulate all the words,
Yeah,
and their voice together is
harmonizing. It's breathtaking. That's for sure.
best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your head.
through the breezes, through the trees.
His voice actually sounds a bit like Jason Mraz. If he's singing, his vibration in his
yeah.
voice is quite similar.
This is really a beautiful song that it never
Yeah.
goes age, and to sing a beautiful artist covering as well
Yeah,
in a duet, it makes this more
song
beautiful.
forever. Yeah.
Move so pretty, you're all I see as the world keeps spinning round. You hold me right here, right now.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday.
Really flabbergasted about this song, and I didn't expect this, but it's really, really beautiful.
It is beautiful. The duet of these two is so beautiful, and of their voices, the harmony of this of their voices, perfect.
Excellent, yeah. So guys, thank you for recommending this. I'm very thankful.
Yeah, clarify if we are right that this is Rosé from Blackpink, but I'm sure she is. I think, yeah, and ONEW or ONEW. Let us know how to pronounce the name, by the way, as well. So, Sea of Hope.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful one. It's very latest video, actually. It's just a few days ago.
Yeah, almost a week ago, but it's beautiful. 5 million views, so
Well done.
I can imagine.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. And stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you
Give us a big like.
share,
That's for
comment,
sure.
and subscribe for more.
All right.
Bye bye.
Bye, guys.